Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Or if you are new over here, then welcome to my YouTube channel DIY Home Decor. Today's video is gonna be about how to upgrade your builder grade home without breaking the bank. We will give you suggestions how you can turn cookie cutter home into builder grade home, something that feels so much more custom without actually breaking the bank. Number one, ceilings. We instantly fell in love with the 20-foot ceilings in the open staircase. As a realtor, will work multiple homes on a daily basis, but none of them captivate us. You can use this ceiling to give it some extra flair in your home. Number two, kitchen. Repair cabinetry and walls in a beautiful color. Number two, paint single pieces to transform the whole space. Number three, introduce inviting texture with wood cabinetry. Number four, bring glamour to your kitchen with metallic finishes. Number five, replace backsplashes with standout materials. Number six, exaggerate its proportions with decor tricks. Kitchen is open to the family room, the first place that we wanted to start on the improvements. You can edit 14-inch cabinets with a 4-inch crown to make it seamless. To the ceiling, you can instantly change out the hardware and kitchen faucet and even edit a chandelier to replace the existing puck light. You can use a koi tile for the backsplash. It's handmade from Spain but under $7 a square foot. If you have a blank space in kitchen to put a mini bar, and this has been such a great investment. Number three, master bathroom. Number one, tame the clutter. Let's start with something simple that will cost you nothing. Number two, bring in some fresh scents. Number three, switch out your lines. Number four, swap out your shower curtain. Number five, add storage. Number six, upgrade your bath mats, rugs. Number seven, introduce some greenery in your bathroom. Number eight, hang up some art in your bathroom for a great and good look for your bathroom. Number four, we talk about the closet. Everybody's favorite room in the house is definitely closet. This space is perfect way to begin. You can use herringbone tiles designed to give it some extra flair. If you have the space, create a vignette and two to display pretty things like a favorite bag, scarves, books, frame, photos, and other meaningful pieces. Not only will it elevate your space, but it creates a boutique like feel that will make you smile each time you open your closet door. Number five, Alexa automatic lights. You can use Alexa automatic lights, Wi-Fi certified with Amazon's Alexa, so you don't even have to touch the lights switches. You just tell her what to do. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Let me know down comment below in comments about this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.